Welcome to the guidance video of Pilot. My name is Skylar and I am a product specialist from Sonic International Marketing Department. Pilot is a tablet ultrasound mainly designed for MSK, anesthesia, and pain management. Let's look at Piloter's main unit. It has a very sensitive 13.3-inch full touchscreen with seamless waterproof design, making disinfection simpler. Weighs only 1.9 kg, extremely lightweight, easier to take around. At the back of the machine, integrate with this practical 3-in-1 handle. It can be used to move the trolley as well as to carry the machine when you walk around. Except on the car, by rotating the handle, it lays on the table very stably. Piloter also configures a silicone protective cover to protect the system from harsh usage. There is one transducer port at the back of the machine. If you want to connect more probes at the same time, please connect 3-in-1 probe adapter. To connect the transducer, slide the button and insert the probe. To remove the probe, slide the button and pull it straight out. The trolley of the Piloter is lightweight and has a height adjustment range of 30 centimeters. To change the height, you can loosen the flex screw. Push up or down, and then tighten the bottom. On both sides of the trolley, there are disinfection probe holders that doctors can use to hold the probe firmly and complete the disinfection by themselves. The cart has a brake on each wheel. To activate the brake, press down on the lower gray lever. To release, press the top gray lever. This is Piloter, the cutting-edge tablet ultrasound, a better choice for doctors.